Okay, so for today's video, ang i-discuss lang natin is will be an additional information regarding our magnetic contactor. So, and push button as well. So, for this session, ang gagawin ko lang is I will energize the circuit para at least makita nyo yung behavior niya pag meron na siyang power. Pag meron ng nakasaksak na power supply, pag na-energize na mismo yung coil. But I will not be doing circuit simulation or circuit demonstration pa for today. Ang gusto ko lang is further maintindihan natin what is magnetic contactor and paano siya nagwo-work pag actual na. So, I hope you enjoy this. May matutunan kayo before we actually go to the actual activities for this week. Thank you. Okay, so this time, last time yung binidyo natin is about our circuit demonstration, but ang setup natin doon is offline siya. Ibig sabihin, or de-energized, wala tayong supply of power. So dito, mas maiintindihan talaga natin yung mismong nature ng magnetic contactor at the same time yung mga push buttons natin and yung ating mga contacts, normally open contacts, auxiliary contacts, and there and all the other components of the magnetic starter. Okay, so ang setup din pala natin dito, we have here an outlet, winire ko siya dito sa circuit breaker para at least magkaroon tayo ng supply. Okay, AC lang naman ang kailangan natin. And then, gagamit lang ako ng extension wire para at least ma-power up natin yung circuit. So, unahin ko yung explanation natin sa wait lang, i-secure ko lang. Okay, naka-off. Unahin ko yung setup natin sa push buttons. Okay, so saksak ko lang. Okay, so i-energize natin ito. Yan, energize na siya kunwari. Okay, yan. So de-energize ko nga pala muna. So at least ang gagawin ko is explain natin naman yung principle ng normally open tsaka normally close. So wala ako ng line dito. And ilalagay ko dito sa push button normally open. And then ang gagawin ko is i-connect ko yung other end papunta dun sa terminal ng ilaw. Okay? And then the other end, ito, papunta dun sa line 2 ng power supply natin. So ang purpose ko lang nito ay actually parang mangyayari nito is parang yung typical wiring diagram lang or wiring installation that you have your switch and then you have a load which is the bulb. So i-on natin siya. So yan. Okay. And then what will happen is winire natin siya directly dito sa bulb. Pero since naka normally open yung nilagay natin dito, so ibig sabihin hindi dapat talaga siyang umilaw. So what will happen is I push this one. Ay, wait lang. Tayo atang umilaw. Yan, umiilaw siya pero masyado lang yata ano. Tingnan ko muna ha. Yan. Okay. Okay na, fix na. Yan. Medyo loose connections lang. Okay, so as you can see there, in-on ko ng ganon. I'm pressing the red push button. Umiilaw siya and then when I released it, nade-energize yung ilaw or wala nang supply dun sa power, sa ilaw. Okay? So, makikitang-kita mo dito yung nature ng push button na it automatically goes back to its original position once na-release mo din siya. Hindi siya yung tipong switch na nag-stack up dun sa position niya. Okay? So, energize natin. Ilipat ko sa normally close. Okay? So, what will happen here is dapat before, wala pa akong ginagawa since magkakaroon ng continuous path. Kasi normally close siya. So, ang power, dire-diretso papunta dito. And then, dire-diretso siya papunta dito din. Okay? Hanggang dito sa first terminal ng load. and ito connecting to the second terminal of the load. So, ang mangyayari niyan, dapat, wala pa akong ginagawa, paka-on ko ng circuit breaker, dapat umilaw siya. Okay, so try natin. Yan. Okay, so umilaw siya. Paano natin siya, i-off? We just press this one. Pero, again, I am holding this in this position because once na-release ko siya, it will go back to its original position, which is the normally close. So, press to turn it off. So, that is the nature of your push buttons sa pag-energize. At least nabivisualize nyo siya ng mabuti. Although, dun last time, meron din, kaso, syempre, iba pa rin yung ganito. Okay. So, puntahan na natin ng side ng magnetic contactor. Okay, tanggalin ko lang yung iba dito. Tanggalin ko pa. So, sa magnetic contactor, sabi ko before, magnetic contactor, once na na-energize mo yung coil niya, your contacts actually are gonna change its nature from normally open to normally closed, yung normally closed to normally open. Pero yung sinabi ko last time is, it doesn't necessarily mean na once na na-energize natin yung coil, ito, automatically magkakaroon ng supply yung mga auxiliary contacts natin. So we can try to do that para at least maintindihan nyo. Okay, I will directly energize the coil. Okay. To power up the magnetic contactor, and then we will test using the multi-tester. Okay, kung meron tayong matitest na voltage. So ideally, based sa lecture natin, the circuit or the normally open auxiliary contacts, normally closed auxiliary contacts will have 0 voltage. Ideally yun. Okay? So pag energize natin yan, may maririnig kayong sound dyan like this. Wait. Epic fail. Yung ano ko pala, yung extension ko naka-off. Okay, so this one. Okay. That is the sound of the magnetic contactor once na-energize siya. Again, this one is energized na yan, ha? So, pag energized na yan, eto, may reading na to. Yan. 200 plus volts. Meron yan dyan. Okay. So, ito dapat, 0 ito. Kahit normally close siya. Yan. 0 volts. 0 volts. Sa lahat yan. 0 volts. 0 volts. 0 volts.
A few moments later.
Okay, so balikan lang natin i-energize ko ulit yung circuit and we will try to test each auxiliary contact of the magnetic contactor to verify if yung sinabi ko before sa lecture that your auxiliary contacts is actually independent kahit na-energize na natin yung coil. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, even though na-energize natin yung coil, 0 volts ba siya dapat dito? As kanina na ano natin siya, na test natin kanina that 0 volts siya. So, ang gagamitin natin is test light para at least meron tayong firm confirmation kung talagang walang power supply dyan. Kasi yung 0 volts, it could be a flaws, di ba? So, dito kasi pag halimbawa meron talagang easy voltage supply yan, tapos ito kasi meron siyang internal DC voltage supply So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-coincide sila dyan dalawa, pag nagsabay, dapat puputok ito magkakaroon ng problema sa circuit. So we will try to energize this one, okay? And we will try to test the circuit or the auxiliary contacts using our test light. Okay, so energize ko lang. Okay, so energize na yung circuit ngayon. So ang gagawin natin is i-test natin isa-isa. Yan, so normally close ito. So ang mangyari is open siya. Ito. Normally open siya since energized yung coil. So nag-close siya. These are your major contacts. Before, close. Before open, ngayon close na. Okay? So very clear doon na nag-change na siya ng nature from normally open to normally closed. But, again, it doesn't necessarily mean na meron na siyang power supply. It is always independent. Kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng supply para para maka-flow pa rin yung current. It doesn't necessarily mean na naglagay ka dito ng connection papunta doon and puntahan, ligyan mo ng line 2, eh magkakaroon ka na ng continuous connection. No. Because, wala siya. Ang ginawa lang basically ng coil is to make these contacts uh, open or close. Pero hindi niya siya in-energize. That's the point of this demonstration. So once na din-energize natin ulit siya, close ko yung magnetic contactor, say for example, it will go back to its original nature again. This one will be closed. Yan. This one open, 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 open. So, I hope na nakita nyo yung difference. Okay, kasi before, at least, na-explain ko din siya, pero iba kasi yung, parang, minsan kasi may ibang behavior sa electrical, na iba naman talaga pag may supply na eh. Parang masasabi mo lang siya na ganito kasi may power supply ka, or anything. So, at least ngayon, very visible na sa inyo yung behavior niya kung open or closed.